Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log into your AmeriHome's mortgage account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type AmeriHome.com and hit on enter right now. This is the home page of AmeriHome. If you scroll down, you can look at all the features provided, but for now we only want to log in. So let's scroll back up. At the top of the snap bar, that is the top right section of the screen, you will find something like My Account. Simply click on it. Now, depending upon your loan servicer, you can access AmeriHome Mortgage, Specialized Loan, or Service Mac. Right now, we're only focusing on AmeriHome, so let's click on AmeriHome Servicing. It's gonna pop up a new tab. Now, in this new tab, it will ask you to enter your username and password. Simply enter your credentials, and in case you forgot either your username or password, here are the buttons right here. Click on them and follow the prompts. That way you can regain access to your account once again. Now let's enter our credentials. If everything is okay, simply click on this I agree button and click on login right now, and you will be logged into your AmeriHome Mortgage account. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how we log into AmeriHome Mortgage. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.